Estonia has a small but open and export-oriented economy. During the past 30 years, Estonian GDP per capita has increased by more than 600%. Largest sectors of the Estonian economy include processing, wholesale and retail trade, real estate and construction. We will look more closely at two particular sectors, wood house industry and the IT cluster.
Estonian ICT sector is quite significant for Estonia. We have more than 4,800 ICT companies in total. We generate nearly 4 billion as revenue in euros. We have more than 30,000 engineers and employees, and we are operating in more than 140 countries all around the world. Estonian ICT companies are very well known around the world, especially in e-government sector and in startup area. We have the highest ratio per capita of startups in the world. Net Group is a software developing company, and our history goes back to more than 21 years. We have around 120 employees, and we have markets in Nordics and in Africa. The revenue of Net Group is 10 million euro per year. It has been growing steadily, and hopefully within the next few years we will double that.
Let's also look at another sector which is quite unique in the Estonian economy, production of wood frame houses.
So Estonian wood frame house industry is quite unique. So it's one of our leading export article, what we are delivering all around Europe. And we have been since 2011 the biggest exporter of wooden houses in Europe. So the sector has been growing constantly around 10 to 15% in a year. We have been engaged in most of the European high-rise wooden buildings, and we have a number of very nice and innovative projects to show. So Estonian wood house industry, last year turnover was around 465 million euros, and around 420 of that one was exported. And it was mostly exported to Scandinavian countries and Germany. There is around 150 companies who are active. Matek is the oldest wood house producer in Estonia. We have been founded in 1988. At the moment we are working in Norway, in Sweden, in Iceland and Germany. 4-bedroom private house could be mounted on a building site in 2 days, and lift and keys handed to the customers. So it's a very fast, efficient and innovative way of building.
Estonia is home to a large variety of successful businesses, from wooden houses to well-known IT unicorns such as Skype, TransferWise and Bolt. Also, the largest passenger shipping company in the Baltic Sea, Tallink. Benefit from the growing Estonian economy and start your own business.